In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the slicer visualization. I've created a table visualization that shows total revenue, direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead for each country. I would like, though, to be able to sort by the country and see only this specific information. To do this, I will use the slicer visualization. The slicer visualization allows a user to specify the type of information to show, such as country. Click on the slicer visualization. Click on country. You can see this created a slicer that I can use to select only the country I want to see in the table visualization. You can now select the field that you want to show. For example, I will select CA to show information only for Canada. To clear your selection, move your mouse to the upper right-hand corner and click on the eraser. We can use more than one slicer to further refine our data. For example, what if I wanted to sort the data by both country and facility location? This would require two slicers, one for the country and another for the facility. Let's look at how to add an additional slicer. We will add an additional slicer by following the same steps as before. Click on the slicer visualization. I will now add another slicer that can sort by facility. I will click on facility in the fields section. Now I have two slicers for this table, one that can sort by country and one that can sort by facility. Notice that when I select Canada in the country slicer, the facility slicer updates to show only facilities located in Canada. The table also updates to show only Canadian facilities. To sort the table by showing only one specific facility, I will select the facility I want to show. For example, BC facility. That's it, we're done. This video was created and narrated by Tracy Miller Nobles and is part of the Power BI Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.